Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Natia. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I DIY this easy and simple apple cider vinegar hair rings. Guys, this hair rings is amazing when it comes to itching scalp. I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. So the first ingredient that I'm going to be using today is actually going to be a green tea. Guys, if you don't have all this stuff that I'm going to be adding, you don't have to add them, okay? So I'm going to be using 2 bags of green tea into my bowl, and then I will be adding a hot water. The next ingredient is going to be lemon. You can just also go ahead and use lime if you prefer, okay? So I'm going to be cutting my lemon in 2 slices, and then I will be adding it as well, just squeezing it into the bowl as well. The next ingredient is going to be aloe vera gel. Guys, if you don't have aloe vera gel, guys, trust me, it's also very fine. But the good part is aloe vera gel is really going to help you to, it's gonna help you when it comes to inflammation, okay? Aloe vera is very great for inflammation, okay? That's the reason why I added aloe vera into it. So just go ahead and mix this ingredient together, and then you can cover it with aluminum foil for about 15 minutes. So here is my liquid. It's ready. It has already been 15 minutes, and as you guys can see that my aloe vera gel have really dissolved inside the water. As you guys can see, it really changed, okay? So just go ahead and squeeze it properly so that all the benefit can really stay inside this water. So the next ingredient, which is the main ingredient, is going to be apple cider vinegar. Guys, I'm using this apple cider vinegar because this is actually what we have here in Switzerland, which is the same, okay? You can also go ahead and use the regular apple cider vinegar, which is going around, if you guys know what I mean. So I went ahead to add 1 cup of apple cider vinegar inside this water, and like I said before, if you want, you can just take out all this ingredient like the green tea and the lemon and the aloe vera gel out. Then you can stream it. You can just put the water in your spray bottle. You can also go ahead and use it directly like that if you prefer. But for me, because I'm not going to be storing the water for a long time, so I just wanted to rinse my hair like this, okay? And all I did, I just transferred this water into another bowl because my hair couldn't fit in that bowl that I was using before, obviously. So that was the reason why I transferred it into this bowl. But unfortunately, my head was still not fitting in this bowl. So I still went ahead to transfer the water directly into my sink. So I just put my head down and to rinse it. And another method that you guys should use, you can stream this water, this liquid, and just add it into your hairspray bottle. And any time of your wash day, you can just go ahead, after you wash your hair and condition your hair, go ahead and spray this liquid into your scalp. Just massage it and just go ahead and rinse it out after 15 or 10 minutes. The time depends on the time that you're going to spend in your bath, like in your taking your shower, and you can just rinse it out and you can go ahead and style your hair. Rinsing your hair with apple cider vinegar, it's really great. It could help strengthen hair, improve luster by lowering hair and scalp pH. It may also keep pesky scalp infections and itchiness at bay. It also a healing properties for scalp, the antibacterial and antifungal properties of ACV that help to keep the pH level of the scalp balanced. So rinsing your scalp with apple cider vinegar is really gonna help you to get rid of itching scalp. Guys, I was actually having a lot of itching scalp, like my scalp was itching the whole time, okay? So This is actually my first time trying out apple cider vinegar into my scalp, and it works really amazing. Since then, my scalp have been so free. Like it looks like my head is really free. So I decided to just share it with you guys, and I know that you guys, some of you have probably washed and have seen people using apple cider vinegar into their hair, and some of you might probably not seeing it. So I hope you guys just learn from it and give it a try. Guys, it's not gonna harm your hair, okay? Just apply it into your spray bottle, rinse your hair with it every of your wash day. Guys, trust me, it's really gonna release your scalp from itching, okay? It's really good. And after that, I went ahead to just cover my head for about 15 minutes, and then I rinse it out, and then I went ahead to style my hair as usual, and my scalp have been so free. If you are watching to this extent, please do not forget to subscribe. In this channel, I do a lot of how to treat your scalp, how to grow your hair. I do a lot of homemade here in my home, okay? Which the stuff that I have in my kitchen, this is basically what I'm using to grow my natural hair, and they are working quite good. My hair is growing, my baby girl hair is growing as well, and I have not been spending a lot of money. I'm just be using all this stuff that I have in my kitchen just to grow my hair, okay? So these stuff are really good for my hair. You just have to be consistent with them. You just have to be patient, okay? Our hair do grow, okay? Our hair do grow every single month. Just be patient with it. Style your hair as usual, and your hair will definitely grow. So this is basically how my hair, after all of that, I went ahead to style my hair, okay? So give it a try. You're gonna love it, okay? So I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. If you do, please do not forget to give your girl some likes, subscribe to my channel. In the meantime, hope to catch you out on my next one. Bye bye.